Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line up there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. And we got the answer to the question that I threw up on Monday's video, and that was, hey, you know what? You got to give credit where credit's due. The price definitely made a very impressive move from down there all the way up to there. And the question then going into today was, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is that a truly strong move, or is that just a dead cat bounce? And like I said, we got our answer. That was totally a dead cat bounce, or if you're not familiar with the lingo, dead cat bounce just meaning totally a fake bounce. There was no true power behind it. What gives me the right to say that there is no true power behind it? Well, literally, not only did the price go back to where it started, within this range around 24, 25 cents, but now the price is sitting all the way down here. And price movements with genuine strength don't go back to where they were, let alone even lower, right? I mean, that's some common sense right there. So that is why, yesterday's price movement was just simply a dead cat bounce. So it is what it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually adjust this level down, because this was a level of support right here at 24. And then there's a key or not a key level, but a key rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So like I said, over here, you can see this was a level of support, but now that the price is broken down below it, that would be the near-term level of resistance going into Wednesday. If the price can push up through the 24-cent mark, then after that, you would turn your attention to that 50-period moving average as resistance. However, as of right now, don't want to get too far ahead of yourselves, because first off, the price has just got to break above 24, and then you can focus more so on that purple line there, once more the 50-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 22 cents. So for that reason and that reason alone, bleeding stopped at 22 cents. Therefore, that's going to be the key level of support now headed into Wednesday. So rough day today. Was ideally that would have been the start of something bigger, but dead cat bounces happen, and this one's been delivering a lot of dead cat bounces, so I don't think anybody's necessarily shocked to see that move ultimately rolled back over. But we'll see if the bulls can try to put together a new bounce or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.